Are you looking for information about Salt Lake City roofers? You're in the right place. Understanding roof repair costs can be tricky, but we're here to break it down for you in the most straightforward way. Let's dive into the top 3 mistakes people make when hiring roofers. The first mistake? Choosing the cheapest quote without considering quality. Always remember, it's better to invest a bit more for reliable service. To avoid this pitfall, do your research. Look for reviews and ratings of contractors in Salt Lake City. Getting multiple estimates helps ensure that you choose the best option, not just the cheapest. Let's start with a big question. How much will a roof repair cost? In Salt Lake City, the price can vary based on the extent of damage and materials used. Typically, estimates can range from about $300 to about $1,500. Another great question, how fast can I get an emergency roof repair? Many local Salt Lake City roofers offer same-day services, ensuring that your home is safe from water damage. Lastly, what affects roof repair costs? Factors like choice, labor cost, and roof conditions all play a big role in the final estimate. Always ask for a breakdown of costs. Need fast roof repairs? Call us now at 385-300-1135. We are ready to help you with all of your roofing needs. Visit allprosroofingsaltlakecity.com to learn more.